In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly log out of your online account. Logging out of your account not only keeps your data safe, but also ensures that no one else can access your personal information after you've finished using your session. It's a straightforward task, but knowing the right way to do it is essential to maintain your online security. First, let's start by locating your profile icon. This is typically represented by a small image or an avatar at the top right corner of the web page or app you are using. It's essentially the gateway to your account settings, so look for something that either displays your picture, your initials, or a generic silhouette. Now take a moment to click on this profile account icon. This simple action will reveal a drop-down menu or a list of options associated with your account. Once this menu unfolds, you will often find a range of selections like account settings, your profile, notifications, and the logout or sign out option. The next step is identifying the logout or sign out option within this list. It is typically located at the bottom as it's one of the final steps in ending your current session. By clicking this option, you are effectively closing your account for others, ensuring it is both safe and inaccessible. Remember, staying logged into your accounts when you're not using them can pose significant security risks. If you're using a shared computer or even browsing on a public network, logging out is a vital action that helps protect your information. Completing this step regularly reduces the chances of unauthorized access, which can occur if someone else uses the device or if there is a security breaching attempt. For mobile apps, the process is very similar. After opening the app, look for the profile icon. This might be at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on the app's layout. Once you've clicked on your profile, you'll see options similar to what you find on a website, with logout or sign out as one of the key menu items. Tap this option, and with that, your account session on the device will end. As a final note, once you have clicked the logout option, you might be redirected back to a main or login screen. This is a good indication that your session has truly ended. If your session is still active or if you're automatically logged back in, check the app or website settings to ensure there is no auto login feature enabled. Logging back out again may be necessary if your account remained active. So, there you have it, a simple yet crucial process that protects your privacy and ensures your personal data remains uncompromised. Following these steps every time you finish using your account is a habit worth adopting. Thanks for watching and stay secure online.